So I've always been an Android fanboy ever since the day I got my first ever smartphone. And while back in the day I used to really hate Apple for absolutely nothing, that immaturity has sailed past and I've learned to appreciate the good things that Apple has done in the recent years. However, one thing that would made me envious all the time was the fact that the App Store would get new applications at a much faster rate compared to the Google Play Store. In today's video, we're talking about an application that was an iOS exclusive but now is available on Android as well. What's up guys, Anubhav here. Today we're talking about an application that could possibly change the way you edit your photos on your phone. With that being said, if you guys like the video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and let's jump right into it.
How can I say it so that you could understand? How can I tell you how stupid I felt? I can't believe that
Okay guys, so the app I've been teasing around for so long is called Lens Distortion, and this is basically the god of all editing apps out there. I mean, they're not paying me to say this, but this app has to be one of the best editing apps out there. Instead of being a simple app that is going to help your photo, instead this app has some amazing overlays of different types which are really high quality to help you make your pictures all the more amazing. Now there are various effects like snow, glass, light hits and flares, and this app is really the real deal while editing the pictures from your phone, and doing so is extremely simple as well. You simply open the app, select the pic you'd like to edit, and once you're done, you have a plethora of tons of overlays to apply, and my tip would be to try all of them one by one on each and every picture you edit, since a lot of pictures would look good with a light hit compared to a snow effect. One of my favorites is the fog one, where it just adds these misty clouds to your picture and lets you adjust several aspects of every overlay. You can also change the opacity, the brightness, the softness, and the saturation. Hell, you can even flip the damn image horizontally or vertically depending upon the position in which the overlay looks better to make it look real good. And in order to remove an overlay, you just need to swipe to the left or swipe to the right and put it in the trash can to apply something else. You can also add new layers to add several effects in one single photo. And once you're done, you can see how the final image looks and then export the file and save it to your gallery. Honestly, this has to be one of the most outright amazing apps I've ever used, and it just makes editing the phones or the photos on the go on your phones so much easier. You don't even need Photoshop to do these things nowadays. And well guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. If you guys did like it, you know what to do. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram at my Instagram handle, link in the description below. With that being said, this is Anubhav signing out. Hope you guys are enjoying the consistency, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.